Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is one of our family's favorite delicacy from North India. This is called Daal makhani. Very nutritious and very healthy recipe. Let's get started with the ingredients. Alright, so let's check out the Daal makhani ingredients. So here I am using half a cup of red kidney beans and 2 cups of black gram or black lentils. It's also called as whole urad dal. I have soaked them overnight or maybe at least 6 hours if you do not have that much time. So soaked it and then wash it thoroughly 2 to 3 times and until the black or brown water gets clear. So just make sure that you clean it and just rub it like this and then clean out the water because that's all starchy water. We don't need that starch in the dal. So let's get into the cooking process. Alright, so let's cook this. I am using instant pot this time, but if you do not have instant pot, you can use pressure cooker or you can simply add these ingredients in a big vessel and just boil it until it's cooked. So in a pressure cooker you can do 5 whistles and keep it to low flame for about 5-10 minutes. In instant pot I'll show you how we're gonna do it. So in the instant pot I have added 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 big cardamom, 6 to 7 cloves and 2 bay leaves. So let's add our soaked kidney beans and black gram. I'm also adding about 4 cups of water. Until it's clearly soaked in the water. And let's start the instant pot to bean and chili mode. I'm also adding about 1 tablespoon of salt so that it gets cooked with the flavors. And let's close the lid and make sure the vent is on sealing mode. And as I told you earlier, it's on the bean and chili mode. So let it cook for about 30 minutes or so. Alright, for the dal makhani gravy, we are going to use 1 small chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and I have 3 tomatoes roughly chopped, and I'm going to just grind it in a mixie jar. So let's do that. I've added 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. If you do not have mustard oil, you can use regular cooking oil. Then add couple pinches of cumin seeds and half onion and ginger garlic paste. Saute this all well until the raw smell of ginger garlic goes away. In about 1 to 2 minutes we will be adding tomato puree and make sure we add half a tablespoon of salt and saute this well until the oil oozes out. Time to add about 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder. And while you saute this, add 1 tablespoon of butter. This is going to give us beautiful flavor to the makhani gravy. And in about 3 to 4 minutes, you can see the oil is oozing out from the gravy. This is the perfect time to add our cooked black gram and kidney beans mixture. And depends on how thick the makhani gravy you want. You can add water. I have added about 1.5 cups of hot water here just to make sure every spices is well combined. And bring this gravy to the boil. Now we are adding final touches. I have added roasted fenugreek leaves, which is kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and half a tablespoon of salt. So give that a good mix and bring it to boil one more time. Alright, our dal makhani is almost ready. I have added 2 small cubes of butter, because makhani means butter, so we need to have that yummy buttery flavor, and of course some yumminess. This is just 1 tablespoon of heavy cream or malai. Just mix it well and let it cook and thicken up a little. In the meantime, I have a small pan here and I'm turning the heat on and adding some oil to get our garlic tempering. So let's add 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat. Added about 6 to 7 chopped garlic. Let's cook them till it turns brown. Alright, so time to add one last ingredient in this, which is some red chili powder, just for color this time. And let it cook for another minute or so on high flame. You just get all the raw smell of garlic diminish, and we will then add it in our dal. Alright, so our makhani is ready. I'm just going to add our last item, which is 1 to 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, because sometimes our tomatoes are not tangy enough to give that kick. So our dal makhani is ready. Look at this beautiful, and I can smell the garlic and all the spices that went in.
And look at this, guys. This is well garnished with heavy cream and some coriander. Doesn't it look like a restaurant quality dal makhani?
And how did you like it? I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This tastes amazing. I can't wait to have it with my jeera rice and my Indian naan. So hopefully you will make it home and share your feedback. And here you go. This is my jeera rice, which I'll showcase that recipe in a separate video. So stay tuned for that video. I hope you are staying well, and please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for all your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.